In this video, I will show you how to correct your wrong word using grammar in MS episode. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, type your wrong words. Then go to Review tab and click on Spelling and Grammar. The shortcut key of grammar is F7. And then choose your correct word and click on Change. Again, choose your correct word and click on Change. Choose your correct word and click on Change. And then click OK. How to add your name into grammar? Type your name first. Then click on spelling and grammar and add. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.